In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a presentation in Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. Let's start by opening PowerPoint 2007 from the Start menu. Once it launches, look toward the top left for the round Office button and across the top for the ribbon tabs. If PowerPoint shows a startup screen, choose New, then select Blank Presentation. A fresh presentation opens with a clean canvas so you can decide exactly what goes on each slide. Next, choose a slide layout from the Home tab. On the ribbon, click Home, then Layout, and pick the layout that matches what you want to show. For example, Title slide is perfect for the opening slide, while Title and Content gives you a heading with a space for bullet points, a picture, or a chart. Layouts help keep your slides neat and consistent, which makes your message easier to follow. Don't worry if you change your mind. You can always open the Layout menu again to switch styles, and PowerPoint will keep the content you've already typed. Now click inside the placeholders to add your title and text. Placeholders are the dotted boxes that prompt you to type. Click the top box to type your main title, then use the lower box for supporting text. Press Enter for a new bullet and Shift plus Enter if you want a line break without a bullet. Keep sentences short and clear, and aim for keywords rather than full paragraphs to avoid clutter. To make your content more engaging, use the Insert tab to add images, shapes, or charts. Click Insert, choose Picture. If you have an image saved, or pick shapes to draw arrows and callouts that highlight key points. Choose Chart if you want to visualize numbers. After inserting, drag the corners to resize and use the center to reposition. Align visuals with your text so the slide looks balanced. Try to use clear, high-resolution pictures and avoid stretching them out of proportion. If something feels crowded, make it a little smaller and give your slide some breathing room. When you're happy with your work, save your file so nothing gets lost. Click the Office button, choose Save As, pick a location you'll remember, and give your presentation a clear, descriptive name. PowerPoint 2007 saves in the standard format, and you can save again later as you continue editing. Get into the habit of saving frequently so your progress is always safe. That's it. You've opened PowerPoint, created a blank presentation, chosen the right layout, added your title and text, inserted visuals, and saved your file. You're ready to build the rest of your deck with confidence.